Today, we're diving into a question I get asked a lot. Is PocketGuard free to use? Now, I know you're probably here because you're looking for a way to manage your finances better. Maybe you've heard about PocketGuard and its reputation for being a user-friendly budgeting app. But before you dive in, let's clear up this one big question. The short answer, it's not entirely free. While PocketGuard does offer a free version with some essential features, there's a premium tier that unlocks additional functionalities. Think of it like a freemium model, where you can get a taste of the product for free but have to pay for the full buffet. What's in the free version? So, what can you expect if you decide to go with the free version of PocketGuard? Here's a quick rundown. Basic budgeting. You can track your income and expenses, set budgets, and see how much you're spending on different categories. Automatic categorization. PocketGuard does a pretty good job of automatically categorizing your transactions, saving you time. Debt management. You can track your debts, calculate interest payments, and create a debt repayment plan. What you'll miss out on. While the free version is useful, there are some features that you'll only find in the premium tier. Advanced budgeting. If you want to set more complex budgets or track multiple accounts, you'll need to upgrade. Investment tracking. If you're into investing, PocketGuard's premium version allows you to track your investments and set financial goals. Bill reminders. Need a reminder to pay your bills on time? The premium version has you covered. Ad-free experience. If you're tired of ads popping up while you're trying to manage your finances, the premium version is ad-free. Is it worth upgrading? Whether or not it's worth upgrading to PocketGuard Premium depends on your individual needs and budget. If you're a casual user who just wants to track your income and expenses, the free version might be sufficient. However, if you're looking for more advanced features and a smoother experience, the premium tier might be worth considering. Alternatives to consider. Before you make a decision, it's always a good idea to explore other options. There are plenty of other budgeting apps out there, both free and paid. Some popular alternatives include Mint, another popular budgeting app with a clean interface and a variety of features. In-app, you need a budget, a zero-based budgeting app that focuses on spending only what you earn. Personal Capital, a comprehensive financial planning tool that includes budgeting, investment tracking, and retirement planning. So, to answer the original question, PocketGuard is not entirely free, but it does offer a useful free version with basic budgeting features. Whether or not you should upgrade to the premium tier depends on your individual needs and budget. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy budgeting.